Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Daniel. Today I will present a proposal to integrate a CRM system at Company X. This system will support our expansion to the Brisbane, improve customer engagement and the streamline operations. In second slide, we will let you know we selected the CRM Zoho selected. Why Zoho CRM we selected? Because we have it's cost effective, cloud based and highly scalable, and it's built for the small to medium sized businesses like ours, and it can grow with us as we expand. Mm, so now we move forward toward the slide 3. Basically, in slide 3, we have key features and the benefits. The Zoho CRM gives us a central place to manage all the customer data. It automates sales tasks, manage marketing campaigns, and understand the dashboard. And it also integrates with the apps we already use, like Google Workspace, and the Zero. So, uh, as you mentioned that we also have to use a Australian example. I got one of the Australian example, like the one of the Australian small medium, which is basically the Melbourne-based startup Green Bytes. Green Bytes, which uses the CRM and saw a 35% boost in customer retention and a 40% improvement in the response time. So that one is good for the startups too. Now we move forward, which is basically the system integration plan. Here, uh, how we will integrate the system. First, we will and analyze our need, which is basically the most important. First, we need to know about what we actually need. So first we analyze, then clean and migrate data. Next, we will connect to our existing tool and then train the team, test the system, and finally roll it out. Now we move forward towards our potential technological issues. Some technical issues we might face include data mismatches from the old system, limits with the APIs when linking tools, and the make sure our data stays secure during the transfer or not. Now we have potential management issues because we also need to think about our people, because staff might resist the change, especially if they are used to our current system, current system, current system. Then everyone will know how to use a CRM, and we will be under time pressures to keep things running smoothly during the change. So that's a more important thing. Now we move forward toward the impact on integration success. These issues could delay our rollout, cause error or duplication in our data, and makes the system harder time by time to use if not handled correctly. If not handled correctly, then it's gonna be the harder. A slow or buggy transitions could hurt our CRM goals, which we want to achieve. Now we're moving forward toward what kind of the impact on the company X operations we have to face. Sorry. For the company X, this could lead to the slower customer service, um, frustrated employees, and missed business opportunities. That's why we need a smart, careful approach to the integration. Now we move forward. We have the solution to the technical integration hurdles. To avoid these problems, we will audit and clean the data before importing it. We will use custom APIs, use the customer APIs to connect uh, our tools and product our information using the strong access control and the encryptions. Because due to the security purposes, now we move forward. We have the solution to the management challenges, which we have to conduct a CRM workshops. We will also help the team adjust by running training sessions, roll out the CRM in stages, like common challenge and solution. In the visual, it can show that basically the three data quality, data analysis challenges, and these three are we have to look it up. Um, so we by running training sessions, rolling out the CRM stages, and collecting feedback regularly to improve our process as we go with the time. Then we have the effectiveness of the proposed solution, which is basically the evaluation solutions. These solutions are effective, for instance, using clean data and the tailor integrations can reduce the data issues by the 90% and increase the adoption rates through the pilot testing, training and testing with a small group first, boost confidence and the adoption rates. Now we move forward towards the strategic alignment. The CRM plan supports our business strategy and it prepares us for the business expansions, improve customer relations, and saves time with the automations so we can focus on our growth, which is which is the main focus, which is the main goal of every startups or every businesses. Now we have the conclusion and what kind of next steps we have to take, which is good for our business, which is good for our business growth. So, in summary, Zoho CRM is a right fit for the company X. The integration plan is practical and designed to avoid common tasks, and I designed to avoid common risks, and I recommend we start with the phase one, planning and auditing, planning and auditing. So this is the most important thing which we need to use it and which will be helpful for our small, medium, any kind of startup which we can use. So is the best Zoho is the best CRM for these startups. Thanks for your time. That's all for the today. These are my PPT. I try my best to consider and to evaluate my information into the easiest way and try to represent in a good way. Thank you for that.